Welcome to Math with Atyut channel. Today we are discussing about chapter 9 exercise 9.2 sixth problem. First we will discuss about what is the question. See here in the question they had given a circular park of radius 20 meters situated in any colony. Here we have taken one circle with radius taking a center O and radius I am taking OA as a 20 meters, and there are three boys Ankur, Syed and David are sitting at the equal distance on the boundary of a toy telephone in his hands. See here I am considering A has Ankur and S has Syed and D has David. Three students are placing at the equal distances. Means here what we are telling here, what is the distance from A to S and S to D and D to A, all are same. That is the reason we have this written AS is equals to SD is equals to DA. Then what we have to find here, we have to find the distance of AS. If you find AS, then automatically SD and DA are same. Now we have seen this is looking like a equilateral triangle, means AS is equals to SD is equals to DA. Therefore, since three sides are equal, we can directly write ASD is an equilateral triangle. Now, for equilateral triangle, when we draw a perpendicular bisector, that is, it is an median which is passing through the center, and it is also a altitude. When we are drawing the altitude is always 90 degrees. What we know that for an equilateral triangle, we draw a perpendicular line, it will pass through the center O. It makes a ratio of 2 is to 1. See here when we draw an altitude and median means it will make SB is equals to BD, and when we draw a altitude in equilateral triangle, when it is passing through, it makes 2 is to 1 ratio. Therefore what I am writing here, OA is to OB is equals to 2 is to 1. That is, we can write as a fractional form as OA by OB is equals to 2 is to 1. Since I am doing cross multiplication, OB moves here, OA is equals to 2OB. But as per the diagram, we already know OA is the radius of the circle. I am substituting OA is equals to 20. Since OA is equals to 20 meters, 2 into OB. 2 I am sending to left side, it will become as 20 by 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are. We got OB value as 10 meters. Then what is the distance of AB? We can write AB has OA plus OB. Therefore AB is equals to OA plus OB. AB is equal to, what is OA? We got OA is equals to 20 meters and OB we got 10 meters. Therefore AB value is equals to 30 meters. See here it is an equilateral triangle, and ST we can write as SB plus BD. ST we can write as SB plus BD. We already know it is an equilateral triangle, it is making a median. Therefore SB is equals to BD. I am just replacing SB with BD. SB plus BD. In BD I can write as SB. Therefore ST is equals to 2SB, or we can write SB as a subject and SB is equals to ST by 2. Since you can see one equilateral triangle, when it is passing, there are two triangles. Now I am considering ASB. I am considering ASB. Since it is a right angle triangle, see here is 90 degrees. Therefore, for right angle triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. For Pythagoras theorem, we can write hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse means here AS. AS square is equals to BS square plus AB square. We already know BS square. BS what we know? SD by 2. I am just substituting in place of BS SD by 2 whole square. Since from equation 1, can you see we can replace SD with AS? Yes, that is the reason from 1 we are writing in place of SD. I am replacing with AS. AS square is equals to, since we have square, AS square by 4 is equals to and plus 900. Next, AS square moving to left side, it will become as AX square minus AS square by 4 is equal to 900. After resolving, what we are getting, 3AS square by 4 is equals to 900. I am just sending 4 to right side, it will become 900 into 4 by 3. then 3 ones are and 3 threes are 0 0, and 4 into 3 means 12 and 1200. X square we got as 1200. Now we have to find AS value. Since I am sending the square to right side, it will become as a square root. Now 1200 can be written as 400 into 3, and we already know root a into b is equal to root a into root b. 400 I can write as 20 square. Square and root will be cancelled, remaining is with 20, and remaining value root 3. Means therefore what is the AS value means the length of the string of each phone is 20 root 3 meters. Thank you.